Yes, please tell me about yourself.
Yeah, this is Sonali. I'm carrying the 6.8 years of experience in technology like Java, JDBC, Spring Boot, and
Mm-hmm.
Java 8.
Okay.
And in that 2 years of experience in Spring Boot and Java 8.
So, overall,
Sorry,
how much experience you have?
6.8.
6.8. So, currently, which version of Java right now using?
Java 8.
Java 8. So, in Java 8, what are the basic concept of Stream API? Why we are using it?
Stream API used to means it's provide means it's, do the operation on collections. If you
Mm-hmm.
want to perform any operations over the collections, then
Mm-hmm.
you will use the Stream API. It simplifies the code. That is, no need to write a multiple lines of code. It simplifies in one line.
Mm-hmm.
And there are intermediate and terminal operations are there. Intermediate operations like filter, map,
Mm-hmm.
limits is there, and terminal operator is like for each, collect, count.
Okay, sufficient. What is difference between map and flat map?
Map is used to means iterate over the means object. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and map is used to iterate over the map. Means it is list of object.
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
Any other differences?
uh, I have used this.
For
This fine.
okay. For example, um, I want to convert list to map. So what logic you will write here? Just 1 minute. I am just putting in the questions. How to convert list object to hash map object by using Stream API. Okay,
Hmm.
so just you see, I have put it just to click on the coding section. So here it will display the coding tool. So in that coding tools you can write here code.
Yeah. Okay.
Click on the coding, it will automatically come. Yeah, video feed and coding. You see in the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah. I click on that only.
Mm-hmm. Little bit might be.
Actually, I'm not able to type.
No, because of your command, my side is not able to see. That's why you are not able to. Because of you click on the question, so I think might be you see the question. How to
Yes.
convert here? You click, then I think command will be open. Tool will be open. Click on that.
Coding.
You see in the video feed and right side app coding. Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. Now I'm able to type.
Okay, right here the code.
Can I consider input as employee list?
List you consider it. I think you take it list as a string or yeah, no problem. Just I want see your logic.
Okay. Yeah. We'll do the list of string and then I will collect it. That the collectors dot to map.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, and, then I will take the
No, employee, just you don't write here employee, just you write string object. That's it only. You can define the offside as a list. Their side you can add value just A, B, C, D, whatever you have, and then you print the list, print the map, then you will get the output, whatever you have written.
okay.
Okay,
So,
no problem, no problem, no problem. That is sufficient. I want to ask another question. For example, you have any just I'm just giving scenario.
uh,
Uh, Suppose I have tree set.
okay.
Tree set. You can also write in the command. Just you remove it. Tree set ts is equal to new tree set. Tree set. Okay.
Hmm.
And here you write add value ts dot add
T started.
inside null nul semicolon. Another you add ts dot add string abc double quotation abc. So tell me what output you will get without before writing the code.
The T set contain unique values. Yeah. Here we get the null pointer exception.
Okay,
Yes.
okay, got it. Okay, so now I'm moving in other part of core Java. What is difference between concurrency hash map and hash map?
Concurrent hash map used in synchronization
Hmm.
means you can synchronize the key of concurrent hash map.
Hmm.
And the hash maps means here hash map it is a asynchronous means and it is not a thread set.
Hmm.
In hash map and it is iterate over the means we can in concurrent hash map you can put mean the synchronizations over
No,
the
no. So this is the part of hash table and hash map, but I'm just asking about concurrent hash map and hash map.
hash map. Yeah, hash map is asynchronous and concurrent hash map is means synchronous. Uh, yeah,
No,
and
I think you are not clear about this concept. Concurrent hash map just written. It is take the segment of particular object in multi-threading concept during the execution. So in that scenario, it will not throw the concurrent modification exceptions. But concurrent hash map in the multi-threading programs, you have used the map, so it will throw the concurrent modification exceptions. This is the basic difference of that.
yeah,
Why? Because of it will log the whole object, but concurrent hash map will take the segment of the object, whatever you needed to execute. So this is the main thing of that.
Okay.
So you know about multi-threading. Multi-threading you have worked on. Otherwise, I can move to next question.
No, not much.
Okay. So in Java, you know encapsulation and abstraction.
Yeah.
You give me the answer in a realistic way. Suppose this you have this written the code. Okay, test class. Okay. So how do you manage? How do you tell here is have encapsulation and abstraction will happen in the same class?
Yeah. If there is an interface, there.
No, but intercept will bind method and variable in any units.
It's a hiding the encapsulation is like a hiding the data. Okay.
No, I think you are not clear. Hiding the data, it is a part of abstraction.
Okay.
Encapsulation is different thing.
Encapsulation is the hiding the complexity. Means
No. I think your name is your Sonali, right?
yeah.
So Sonali, basically here you are giving the answer in reverse way. Suppose, suppose if you have encapsulation binding the data and behavior in single unit.
Yeah.
Single unit means if you have object of tree set you have created, right?
Yes.
Tree set
Yes.
is equal to tree set, new tree set. So this is the entity is TS, it is reference variable. Here you binding the data and method. So data, what you binding, null and ABC, this will be occupied in memory allocation. That part we can say as encapsulations. This is the simple way. Abstractions, whenever you apply the for loop, any gate, something like that through the call ts.get, particular index or something. So means that method you calling, but behind don't know behind the get method what is happening entirely. Because of logically you have hide the all thing, all concept. In the normal term, if you want say is a car, you because of you telling about the normal behavior about that ki car is that, so I don't know car, so we can specify the car Maruti and and uh, and other ones can be say Hyundai, Honda, Tata. So these are the segment. Segment means this is the classification. Classifications means if you can define a class, implement to car. So inside what features are there, you can define abstract method and then you can implement. But you are implementing. So hiding the complexity is a different thing. Just I am telling you about that. Why for your reference? Um okay, let's see. Move on the next question. You much aware about Spring Boot?
Yeah.
So in Spring Boot, why we are using Spring Boot in microservices? You aware about the microservices?
Yeah.
What is microservices? Why we are using currently in microservices? Just to give me three benefits and three advantage and two disadvantage of the microservices.
The microservices is the means it is the set of applications which is having the different services like microservices. Okay.
Mhm.
Means if and it is deployed in different servers. So if any server is down or if any microservice is down, then it is doesn't affect to the other services.
Mhm.
Like for example, we'll take the example of Flipkart. then there are payment microservices is there, cart microservices is there, and shopping microservices is there. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If any, for example, we'll take the payment API is down, then it doesn't affect on shopping. Means user can shop and add their stuffs in cart. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This is the advantages over the monolithic applications. Means in monolithic services, it is the state of application where cart, shopping, and payment is included in one project. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
The disadvantage, and there is a complexity in monolithic applications over the microservices,
Mm-hmm.
and we have to organize it. If I want to deploy some changes, or I have to fix some bugs in any services, then uh, uh, I have to down my all the services. Okay. And
No, I'm not asking about the monolith. I am asking about the microservices disadvantage. Suppose you have written the all thing through the microservices, but what is disadvantage?
disadvantages is like it's a high um, development time. It will take more development time, and it's a high
In Spring Boot, take more development time.
no, in microservices.
No, I think you contradict your answer because of, for example, you have microservices disadvantage tracing the logs and other things. It is difficult to trace because
Yeah,
of your microservices are deployed in barrier servers.
managing that to
Barrier
the
servers. So in that scenario, here is most effective and most costly because of here need to be lot of tools, Kubernetes and other things. Through that we can trace the logs. Lot of things is required.
managing the microservices is also
And other things is cost wise is effective, cost is effective because of your microservices. Suppose you have a lot of users or interact with your application, so in that scenario here the memory management other parts is because of cloud have charge some count base, so this is more expensive rather than monolith.
hmm.
So these are the disadvantage about this microservices, and advantage just like it is easy to fast the development and deploy on different servers. So if one services or more services are going to down, so it will not affect the whole applications. So developers can easily trace out where is going to down, so that affected area can correct it and independently can deployed on the particular server. So that is the advantage, but disadvantage and advantage because of each and everything have pre and cons about the applications. So what is effective, what is ineffective? So microservices cost wise is as a development cost is rather than monolith is have cheaper, but and hardware point is have much costly.
Okay.
So now I am just asking the Spring Boot and Spring Framework. So why we are using Spring Boot and Spring rather than Spring Boot, Spring Framework? We are using Spring Boot.
Spring Boot is the bunch of Spring framework. Means
Mm-hmm.
in Spring Boot, no need to add the internal dependencies.
Mm-hmm.
That is need to be add in Spring framework. And there is a auto configurations in Spring Boot over the Spring. So, and there is a default Tomcat server inbuilt in Spring Boot.
Mm-hmm.
In Spring, we have to add a server to deploy our code.
Mm-hmm.
And uh, and it reduces the line of code as well as compared to Spring. And there are annotations in Spring Boot, that is at the rate Spring Boot application. It is the encapsulated version of, means it's encapsulations at the rate component, at the rate enable auto configurations as well, and yeah, and at the rate configurations also.
So that annotations are also can be utilized in Spring Framework because of annotation is not boundary point of the Spring Boot and Spring Framework.
In Spring, in Spring Boot there is a auto configurations. Okay, and in Spring we have
No,
to configure.
suppose just one moment. I'm just clarifying you. Suppose you are creating a Spring Boot application. So means you are telling all classes and Pojo and everything have automatically put the annotations respective to what is required automatically without your intervention, without your known where need to be annotation, where not need to be annotations.
In the main class we can means we can auto configure the configurations, like means we can component scan is there, we can at the rate enable auto configurations we can write there, so no need to explicitly configure the applications, like being at the rate component at the rate component scan, like this way.
Mm,
Means it comes with the auto configurations. Spring Boot.
but you not giving the exact answer. I am expecting the exact answer. Why? Because of uh, Spring Boot, because of they have some systematic way we can create Spring Boot. If we have some specific version related, suppose you want to Spring Boot 1.3, so you just go on the initializer, you can add the specific version specific. Suppose you want to Java 8, you want to Java 11, so specific versions and specific dependency you can automatically get
Yeah.
and you can add. So this is your answer about that,
Yes. Yes.
right?
Yeah. Yes.
So
Okay.
I
Yes.
think Sonali, we have limited time about only 30 minutes. So here I have scheduled another interview right now. So we you know what you have given the answer. If you have doubt anything else, you can ask me. Otherwise, before binding this call.
Uh, yeah. Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Sonali.